Here's our take. AI cannot replicate your human spark. It cannot replicate your taste, your curation, or your expertise. And it certainly cannot replace the human connection that keeps customers coming back. That's why our AI strategy is about enhancing this human experience, not replacing it. Lightspeed AI is a powerful suite of tools embedded right into your platform. It is an engine designed to give you back the one thing you can't buy more of, and that's time. Time to curate, time to connect. We use technology to fuel your passion, not automate it away. Lightspeed AI is the latest tool in our strategy to delete steps and streamline workflows embedded right into your POS. It lets you ask questions, get answers, and act on insights quickly. We also know that business owners like yourselves wear many hats. Let's say you want to quickly find out what your best-selling items are last month. Instead of spending time digging, just ask Lightspeed AI. If you need to understand which items are driving your margins, simply ask, what are my most profitable products? Lightspeed AI Assistant surfaces the insights you need. Even better, it communicates in clear, everyday language. It's like having a top-tier data analyst sitting right next to you. Online catalog creation can be manual and tedious. We're fixing this with a product catalog assistant. This experience is integrated directly into product pages within Lightspeed Retail at the moment you're creating your catalog. Here's how it works. You simply describe an item in free text. Maybe you type out a few notes about a new shirt. Our intelligent AI instantly enhances and completes the rest of the info for you. It moves from draft to published faster by minimizing manual entry. It rapidly generates website-ready details, including product names and descriptions, all optimized for SEO. We are also launching the AI Product Image Enhancer because visuals are everything. This is an editor integrated right into your POS. Its sole function is to transform pictures into professional quality assets with one click. From cropping and lighting, adjustments to background removal and replacements, get studio quality images ready to be deployed right away. The challenge is, how do you bridge this online to offline gap? Well, that's exactly what the AI Showroom is built to do. AI Showroom lets you meet your customers where they are by enabling all of you to build a digital storefront that looks as great as your physical one. You'll be able to create custom-branded website catalog not in weeks, not in days, but in minutes. And we're improving the experience using features like AI import and AI descriptions. AI Showroom gives you an intuitive site that highlights your products, syncs your inventory, and most importantly, tells your unique brand story. But what about the operations? We're building capabilities that make AI a true extension of your team and a true partner. This is just the beginning. Agentic AI will transform how we all work, and Lightspeed's retail platform will continue to be your partner on that journey. And we're excited to share that everyone in this room today can enroll in our beta program to start testing out these AI features you've seen. And we can't wait for you to try it all firsthand and see how AI supports your art of retail.